Imagine standing on the warm, white sands of a Jamaican beach. The gentle Caribbean breeze whispers through palm trees. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking colors. Deep oranges melt into fiery reds, then soften into hues of pink and purple. The ocean reflects the spectacle, doubling the beauty. This, my friends, is a Jamaican sunset. The air is alive with the sound of reggae rhythms and the scent of jerk chicken grilling nearby. Locals and visitors alike pause to appreciate this daily masterpiece. The energy is palpable. Tranquility and excitement mix in the warm evening air. This is a moment you want to capture and hold on to forever. Jamaica is famous for many things: its vibrant culture, pulsating music, and of course its stunning sunsets. These sunsets are not just beautiful, they are legendary. They paint the sky with such intensity that they seem almost unreal. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the tranquil shores of Montego Bay, every corner of this island nation offers a unique perspective on this breathtaking natural phenomenon. The challenge for many travelers, however, is finding that perfect spot to witness and capture the magic of a Jamaican sunset. With so many picturesque locations, it can be overwhelming to choose. But fear not, fellow sunset chasers, this is where I come in. I'm here to guide you to the most captivating sunset spots Jamaica has to offer. Whether you're an amateur photographer or just someone who appreciates natural beauty, finding the ideal spot to capture the sunset can be an adventure in itself. You might be tempted to simply choose a spot at random and hope for the best, but a little planning can make all the difference. Consider the lay of the land. Are there mountains or other landmarks that could enhance your composition? Think about the foreground. Will you include palm trees, rock formations, or the silhouette of a sailboat? And don't forget the time of year. The sun sets at different angles throughout the year, so a little research can help you find that sweet spot for the perfect shot. Negril's 7 Mile Beach, a classic sunset show. Let's begin our journey in Negril, a place where the beauty of nature is on full display. This charming town is home to the iconic 7 Mile Beach, a stretch of sand that seems to go on forever. This stretch of pristine white sand is not just any beach. It's a postcard-perfect setting for a memorable sunset experience. Imagine walking along this beach as the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow over everything it touches. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The sky erupts in a symphony of colors, ranging from deep oranges and reds to soft pinks and purples. The shallow waters reflect these fiery hues, creating a mirror-like effect that is simply mesmerizing. It's as if the ocean itself is ablaze, capturing the essence of the setting sun in its gentle waves. For an extra special treat, head to Rick's Cafe, a legendary spot perched on the cliffs overlooking the ocean. This world-famous spot is renowned for its breathtaking views and vibrant atmosphere. As you sit back and relax, you'll be treated to one of the most stunning sunsets you'll ever witness. Adding to the excitement are the daring cliff divers who plunge into the turquoise waters below, creating a spectacle that's hard to forget. Sip on a tropical cocktail as the sun descends, and let the beauty of the moment wash over you. The crowd gathers, all eyes fixed on the horizon, waiting for that magical moment when the sun kisses the ocean goodnight. The best time to arrive is around 5:30 p.m. to secure a good spot and soak in the pre-sunset ambience. As the evening progresses, the atmosphere becomes even more enchanting, with the sky painted in hues of twilight and the air filled with anticipation. People gather with their loved ones, capturing the moment with photos and sharing in the collective awe of nature's beauty. Often, live music fills the air, adding a melodic backdrop to the visual feast before you. Boats drift lazily on the horizon, their silhouettes adding to the picturesque scene. It's a time for romance, reflection, and pure appreciation of the natural world. As the final moments of the sunset give way to twilight, a round of applause often erupts, a communal acknowledgement of the day's end. The early evening ambience at Rick's Cafe is equally captivating, with lights coming on and the promise of a beautiful night ahead. As night falls, the cafe transforms into a twinkling haven, where the magic of the sunset lingers in the air. The ocean, now bathed in moonlight, continues to reflect the beauty of the day that has passed, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Treasure Beach, rustic charm and golden skies. Nestled on the south coast of Jamaica, Treasure Beach is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of rustic charm and breathtaking golden skies. This tranquil destination is perfect for those who seek a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of more crowded tourist spots. If you're seeking a more off-the-beaten-path sunset experience, then Treasure Beach is calling your name. Unlike the more popular beaches, Treasure Beach offers a more intimate and peaceful setting where you can truly connect with nature and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Located on Jamaica's south coast, this laid-back fishing village offers a charmingly rustic setting for a magical sunset. The village is known for its friendly locals, vibrant culture, and a slower pace of life that allows you to unwind and relax. The fishing boats dotting the shoreline add to the picturesque scenery, making it a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Imagine yourself strolling along the black sand beaches, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore providing a soothing soundtrack. The unique black sand, a result of volcanic activity, adds an exotic touch to the beach, making your sunset walk even more memorable. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet, and let the gentle sea breeze caress your skin as you take in the beauty around you. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors. Shades of orange, pink, and purple blend seamlessly, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates the senses. The ever-changing hues of the sky reflect on the water, adding to the magical ambience of the moment. It's a sight that will leave you in awe and provide the perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. The contrast between the golden light and the dark sand creates a dramatic and unforgettable scene. As the sun sinks lower, the golden rays illuminate the beach, casting long shadows and highlighting the textures of the sand. This interplay of light and shadow adds depth and dimension to the landscape, making it a photographer's paradise. Capture the moment and create lasting memories of this enchanting place. For the best views, head to the Pelican Bar, a quirky wooden shack built on stilts in the middle of the ocean. This unique bar offers a one-of-a-kind experience, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the sunset while sipping on your favorite drink. The Pelican Bar is accessible by boat, adding an element of adventure to your sunset excursion. It's the perfect spot to unwind, socialize, and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. Enjoy a cold red stripe beer as you watch the sun dip below the horizon. The refreshing taste of the beer complements the warm, tropical atmosphere, making it an ideal way to end your day. As you take a sip, let the flavors transport you to a state of pure relaxation. The combination of the stunning sunset and the cool drink creates a moment of bliss that you'll cherish forever. The ideal time to arrive is around 5 p.m., giving you ample time to settle in and soak up the serene atmosphere. As you find your perfect spot on the beach or at the bar, take a moment to appreciate the tranquility of the surroundings, the gentle lapping of the waves, the soft rustling of the palm trees, and the distant chatter of fellow sunset seekers create a harmonious symphony that enhances the overall experience. Whether you're alone, with a loved one, or in the company of friends, Treasure Beach offers a magical setting that will leave a lasting impression on your heart. Portland's Blue Lagoon, where magic happens at sunset. On Jamaica's northeastern coast, nestled amidst lush tropical foliage, lies the enchanting Blue Lagoon. This natural wonder is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and is said to have inspired the novel and film Cocktail. While the Blue Lagoon is stunning at any time of day, it's during sunset that it truly transforms into a magical paradise. As the sun descends, casting long shadows across the water, the lagoon's colors intensify. The sky explodes in a breathtaking display of fiery oranges, deep purples, and vibrant pinks, reflecting off the surface of the water and creating an otherworldly glow. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a dip in the lagoon's warm, mineral-rich waters as you watch the sun go down. The prime time to visit is around 6 p.m., allowing you to enjoy the lagoon's tranquility before and after the sunset spectacle. The surrounding area is teeming with vibrant tropical flowers and plants, adding to the lagoon's enchanting atmosphere. As you relax in the warm waters, you might spot birds flying overhead, their silhouettes stark against the colorful sky. Local fishermen often paddle their traditional boats across the lagoon, adding a touch of cultural authenticity to the scene. Beneath the surface, the lagoon is home to a variety of marine life, making it a great spot for snorkeling and exploring underwater. The Blue Lagoon is also a popular spot for couples seeking a romantic getaway, with the sunset providing the perfect backdrop for a memorable evening. Families too can enjoy the lagoon, with its calm waters being ideal for children to play and swim safely. Nearby, local vendors set up stalls selling handmade crafts and delicious Jamaican snacks, allowing visitors to take a piece of the experience home with them. As the evening progresses, the colors of the lagoon continue to change, offering a dynamic and ever-evolving spectacle. Eventually, as night falls, the stars begin to appear, adding a celestial dimension to the already magical setting. Some visitors choose to extend their stay into the night, gathering around campfires and sharing stories under the starlit sky. The moonlight shimmering on the water creates a serene and almost mystical ambience, making it a perfect end to a day at the Blue Lagoon. As you leave the Blue Lagoon, the memories of its beauty and tranquility will linger, inviting you to return to this magical place where nature's wonders unfold in the most spectacular way. Truly, the Blue Lagoon at sunset is a place where magic happens, a natural wonder that captivates the heart and soul. Plan your visit and witness the enchanting transformation of the Blue Lagoon at sunset. You won't be disappointed.